So, what does it actually cost to purchase a home? I'm working with my younger brother. He's 28 years old, looking to buy his first home. And of course, he needed some input, some advice from me. So, we were able to secure a property for him, which has been so exciting. The market has been just so high and such high demand where we live that it's been hard to find something that's under $200,000. But luckily, we did. So, we found a property, $200,000. And he's like, Jen, what is it going to cost me to actually purchase this home? What's my down payment look like? So, I wanted to break down the math for you. So let's say a $200,000 townhome like he's looking at, he's going to put down just 3 to 5%. He was nervous he'd have to put down 20% or more. If you're a first-time home buyer and you don't have a lot of cash, don't let that scare you. You can actually get down with just doing $6,000 as a down payment. Then he wanted to know, well, what does all of my costs look like? So I wanted to give him an idea of exactly what that monthly payment will look like. So after putting down the $6,000 as a 3%, his mortgage amount was $194,000. And we broke that down. He got a 30-year loan on a 7% interest rate, which might be lower. He has a great credit score, but just for number's sake here, it's $1,291 a month. Then I said, well, let's put in your taxes. Your taxes will break down to be about $125 a month. And then his homeowner's insurance, we got a quote from our mortgage guy, and he said it's $125 also a month. So we add that together, he's at $1,541 a month. Meanwhile, he's been renting, paying over $1,700 a month for a townhome. So he can actually own a home, make some improvements, actually add some value into the property, and then have it appreciate and sell it for an additional $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 over the next couple of years. So super opportunity. Don't be afraid to buy. Don't be afraid to reach out. We'd love to help you guys with this big purchase.